Replace a carriage fan on the HP Latex R printer series when a system error displays in the IPS or internal print server. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS, touch Maintenance. From the IPS, touch Replace the carriage fan, and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Turn off the printer and main switch. Open the carriage cover. Manually move the carriage to the left. On the carriage electrical cover, use a screwdriver to loosen the 9 screws. Separate the cables from the electrical cover and then remove it. On the carriage main PCA, unplug the fan cable from the J49 connector. Use a screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws and detach the fan from the carriage. Install the new fan and then tighten the 4 screws to secure it. Plug the fan cable into the J49 connector on the carriage main PCA. Reinstall the electrical cover, making sure not to clamp the cables. Tighten the 9 screws on the electrical cover. Close the carriage cover. Make sure all doors and covers on the printer are closed. Turn on the printer and the main switch.